Solitaire Cash can display a different currency from the one you expect when your account, device, or App Store region is set to another country. The safest fix is to check those settings before changing anything inside your account. By the end, you'll know which settings can affect currency display, what to check inside Solitaire Cash, and when the issue needs support rather than another reinstall. Start with your device region. On iPhone, open Settings, then General, then Language and Region, and check the region setting. On Android, check your device's language and regional settings. If your phone is configured for a different country, the app may use regional information when displaying prices or other currency-related amounts. Next, check the country associated with your Apple App Store or Google Play account. Your App Store country can affect how apps present purchases and pricing. If your store account is configured for another region, changing the phone's language alone may not change the currency shown inside an app. After checking those settings, completely close Solitaire Cash and reopen it. Then return to the same screen, where the incorrect currency appeared, and check whether the display has changed. If the currency is connected to your account rather than your device, changing regional settings may not fix it. This is especially relevant if you moved between countries or originally created the account while using a different regional configuration. Don't create a new Solitaire Cash account just to test another currency. Your existing account may contain your game progress, balance information, or other account data that you don't want separated from the original login. Also, avoid assuming that the currency symbol alone proves your balance has been converted. Check the amount and the description shown beside it. If Solitaire Cash provides an explanation for the currency or regional availability, use that information before making account changes. If the wrong currency remains after checking your device region, App Store country and account settings, contact Solitaire Cash support. Include a screenshot showing the incorrect currency, the country currently associated with your device, and the email or login method connected to the account. Don't send your password or payment credentials. The key point is that currency display can depend on regional settings, App Store configuration, or the account itself. Changing one setting may not affect an account that was created for another region. Your next step is to check your device region and App Store country first. Then restart Solitaire Cash and check the same balance screen again. If the currency is still wrong, contact support instead of creating another account. If this fixed the currency issue, like the video and subscribe for more Solitaire Cash troubleshooting guides.